Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite watch face that I have found in the Garmin Connect IQ store. And I'm going to be showing it to you today on my Garmin Forerunner 955. Now first let me say I have no affiliation with any of the watches I show on this channel as well as any of the apps I show on this channel or watch faces. But I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there looking for a cool watch face and they want to take a look at some other ones. Now it's not this Star Wars watch face that I'm showing you right here. The one I'm going to be showing you today is called JMG-WF Travelex. And I'll show you the reason why I like this watch face. So let me go ahead and press the menu button on my Forerunner 955 and I'm going to switch to this watch face. Now before we get started, I know you can go out there and you can use a third-party software and you can build your own watch faces and load them on the watch. That's great. This is more just basic functionality. What I like about this one is I can go to the Garmin Connect IQ store, download it, and I can pretty much customize it to exactly what I like without having to do any kind of development of my own. So if we look at this watch face, you can see I've got the date up top, I've got the weather showing, I've got my heart rate showing, the hours and minutes, my altimeter, my barometer, and my moon phase. All of those values I picked and chose based on the settings on this app. So let's go in here and let's look at it. All you're going to do is you're going to download the watch face. Again, it's totally free. I do not pay for any watch faces that I download. I don't need them that bad. I like finding these free ones that are well developed and give them a chance. If you go to the settings, you can basically change anything you want to. So hopefully you're going to be able to see this. For example, the background color. If you'd rather have it black, you can do that. And now I've got a black background color. It's going to be hard to see because my font was a darker color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch that back so that we're able to actually see the watch. And now I've switched it back to a light background. Everything else is also customizable. So for example, my hours color, right now it's set to dark blue. If I want to have a red hour, that's fine. If I want to set my minutes color to a different value, for example, maybe I want my minutes to be green. We can do that. I can change the color of the labels on the watch face. I can change each individual field. So for example, field number 1 right now on my watch is showing the weather. Well, if I want to change that, I can simply choose a different field. And they have lots of fields that you can pick from. Pretty much anything that you can imagine that you would want to change it to. So I'm going to put it to sunrise and sunset. I can change the field color. So for example, if I want this field to be yellow, but I want my heart rate to be red, I can totally do that. We can go on through the list, so on and so forth. The main thing I like about this watch face app is let's go ahead and change my heart rate value. One of the options that you can choose when changing your data field is temperature. And I know a lot of people are going to say, well, what's the big deal about temperature? There's lots of watch faces that show your weather and your temperature value. This one, however, let me show you the watch face. So you can see my color changes took place. Now my hours are red and my minutes are green. But the temperature value that is showing here is not from your weather widget. It's not reading your cell phone information. It's actually reading the temperature sensor on your watch. And I like that. I like having, although I switched it, let me switch back to the weather. So let me go and change the sunset field back to the weather field. There we go. It's kind of nice having a watch face that shows me, here's my weather for my area. This is pulling from my cell phone. 91 degrees. There's the wind. Chance of rain is 50%. But then I've also got a field that shows me my temperature sensor value from the watch itself. So I can be sitting on the couch in my living room and look at my watch and say, wow, it's 75 degrees in here or whatever it is. And I can compare that to what the temperature is outside. Anyway, that's just some basic information. Again, I have no affiliation with it. It's a cool watch face if you want to go check it out. If you like this kind of stuff, I hope you'll think about subscribing to my channel. If you do try this watch face and you like it, I hope you'll leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. Or if you have other watch faces that you found that people should check out, leave a comment in the video so we can hear about those as well. Thanks for watching.